In requirement B, we need to prepare only the assets section of the consolidated statement of financial position of the Spring Limited Group as at 31 December 2010. Now, what is your plan of action? I will first include on a new page my calculation template. Now, what do I mean with a calculation template? Guys, I know that I will have to include all of the assets of Spring, plus all of the assets of Rose, plus all of the assets of Daisy. Therefore, guys, I will include a heading, Spring, Rose, Daisy, and then another heading in terms of my journals. And this will be my total that I need to transfer to the assets section. Then my second step, I will refer to my trial balance and I will identify all of the assets that I need to include in my calculation in terms of Spring, Rose, Daisy. Step number 3, I will view each journal entry and identify if I need to include this in my calculation in terms of my assets. And then, very important, once I have completed this, I need to transfer my total amounts to my assets section, which need to start with my non-current assets, list all of them, and then my current assets, list all of them. It is important that you remember that we have calculated the investment in associate in part A1, and this should be included in the assets section. Now let's refer to our trial balance and identify all of our assets line items. Now when you look at the credits, we have our accumulated depreciation that we need to transfer. Accumulated depreciation of Spring, Rose, and Daisy, not Nulana. Why not? Remember, Nulana is an associate. Then the debits, we have our property, plant, and equipment of Spring, Rose, and Daisy. Investments, remember these amounts will be eliminated in our elimination journal. The investment in terms of the 92,000 we have calculated in part A1, the total amount for group purposes. We can identify that there's other investments at fair value 95,000, 20,000, and 0. We have trade and other receivables, guys, 250,000 for Spring, 82,000 and 2,000, and then inventories 50,000, 19, and 12,000. Now let's transfer all of this to our calculation. This is my calculations page. I have included all of the columns in terms of Spring, Rose, Daisy, as well as the total. Then I have included a line item, PPE, accumulated depreciation. Now guys, my recommendation, leave sufficient lines open for you to be able to add any relevant details. We've got other investments, trade and other receivables, inventories, and another intra-group transaction that will influence our inventories. I have transferred all of the amounts provided on our trial balance. Now what I want you to do is I want you to first briefly view the analysis of owner's equity and then move on to your journal entries. The analysis of owner's equity of Daisy, you will remember at acquisition date, we have identified that there's a revaluation surplus of 10,000. Now guys, this will increase our assets. Therefore, we need to include this in our calculation, 10,000. Remember, we do not have to include our tax amounts. Then we need to refer to our journals. Intra-group journal, transaction number 1. When you look at journal number 2, we have credited our inventory 15750. Therefore, if we credit, this is a decrease, and we need to include this. Indicate that this is your journal number 2. 15750 and include brackets. Guys, when we look at journal 1, 2, and 3, nothing to transfer. Our next set of journals in terms of intragroup transaction number 2. Now, when you look at journal number 4, remember we have already accounted for the 3760 in our calculation. Journal number 5, tax. Intragroup journals in terms of transaction number 3. Now, when you look at this, guys, journal number 6, we credit machinery with 18,000. Therefore, immediately transfer this to your calculation. We credit our machinery with 18,000. Therefore, brackets. This is our journal number 6. Then when you look at journal number 7, relates to tax. Journal number 8. We debit our accumulated depreciation 4,500. Let's transfer this. Depreciation on our unrealized profit 4500. Journal number 8. Journal number 9 relates to our tax. Then our next set of journals relate to our dividend. Therefore, guys, we have completed the transferring of all of our journal entries to our calculation, and we can include our totals. Our total in terms of PPE will be 932,422, and the total in terms of our inventories will be an amount of 62250. Now you need to transfer this to your assets section. Therefore, guys, it is important that you please remember, you need to answer the question. If you do not transfer your calculations to your assets, your statement of financial position, template assets, then your marker will not mark your calculations. I've transferred our calculations to my template. Now, guys, remember, you need to indicate to your marker where did you calculate these amounts. Therefore, I've included calculation 1, 2, 3, and 4. And on my calculations page, my marker will be able to identify calculation 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now, when you look at my template, remember, we have an investment in our associate. Therefore, we need to include this. Now, you will remember we have calculated the amount. When you look at the bottom of the page, 141606. Now, let's transfer this. And this will be from part A1. Then, very important, you need to remember your goodwill. Now, when we refer to our question, you will remember they have indicated to us. Guys, have they or have they not? No, they didn't, guys. Therefore, important, you need to be able to work through your analysis of owner's equity again. Analysis of owner's equity of Daisy. We have calculated goodwill 1680. Therefore, let's immediately transfer this. 1680, analysis of owner's equity. Number 1, Daisy. Let's look at number 2. Remember, guys, we've calculated this. This is our analysis of owner's equity of Rose. And this will be the amount of 7,600. Again, let's transfer this. Plus 7600. Analysis of owner's equity, number 2. And guys, number 3, Nulana. Do we recognize the goodwill? No, because this is an associate. Then when you refer to the question, you will remember in the additional information at the bottom that they've indicated to us sundry information that on 31 December 2010, the directors of Spring Limited Group assessed goodwill and found that the goodwill of Rose had been impaired by 2,500. Therefore, we need to transfer this minus 2,500. And our total goodwill will be 6,780. 0. Guys, we've completed this question. Please work through it. Ensure that you understand all of the intra-group transactions. This is a very basic question. Remember, this will test your knowledge on a third-year base. Therefore, you need to ensure that you pass this question extremely well. Let me know if you have any questions, please.